If your Olight Arkfeld Pro isn't charging, start with the basics before assuming there's a serious problem. First, check whether the flashlight is in lockout mode. When enabled, this safety feature can prevent operation and sometimes confuse users during charging. Press and hold the center button for about 3 seconds to toggle lockout off. Next, confirm your power source is strong enough. The Arkfeld Pro requires a wall adapter that delivers at least 2.1 amps. Low output USB ports and some power banks won't provide sufficient current, which can cause flashing red and green indicator lights. Now inspect the magnetic charging system. The Arkfeld Pro uses a magnetic cable that snaps into place using contact points on the tail of the flashlight. Make sure the charger is seated firmly and aligned correctly. Even a small amount of dust or metal debris on the contacts can interrupt charging, so wipe both the cable tip and flashlight contacts with a clean, dry cloth. During normal charging, a solid red light means it's charging, and solid green means fully charged. Flashing red and green usually indicates a connection or power supply issue. The Arkfeld Pro runs on a proprietary 3 and 7-volt rechargeable lithium battery with an integrated charging circuit. Because Olight uses its own battery design, you must use compatible charging accessories for reliable performance. If you've tried different outlets, cleaned the contacts, confirmed proper seating, and the issue continues, the problem may involve the internal battery or charging circuitry. At that point, contact Olight customer support for warranty evaluation or replacement options.